Okay, 12:36 Eastern Time, August 4th, and let's do a quick update on the spreads we put on yesterday. Short the Russell, long the Nasdaq, short the ES, long the Dow. I'm surprised this has a profit. Short the S&P 500, long the Nasdaq. We know that was a horse because the Nasdaq's up big. Look at that. It's up 11.6. The ES is down 5,200. That's a nice trade. I'm going to go ahead and close these before the end of the day. But I just want you to pay attention. Remember, we have here why we took this trade. There was a 98.6, according to our codes, a 98.6% probability of a down move, 96.8 probability of an up move, and then 97.9%, everything over 95%, and they all worked out. That's the beauty of spreads. So you can wait, hold them, and I mean, who knows how many days this is going to be in profit, but in real life, in our real accounts, we already closed these positions. We're out. It's just too big a move, too fast. And if you take a look at the ES, just from the 31st, we had positions on from the 31st. Look at what happened to the 31st. The ES was at 73, I don't remember right. It was as low as 73.20. Yeah, down here on the 29th. On the 30th, it was a 73. It's up 400 points. All right, it's up 400 points in a few days. And if you look at the Nasdaq, let me take a look over here. Okay, the Nasdaq is up from 27.1. Let's just call it 27.2. So I'm surprised this probability of a mean reversion is not higher. But let's just keep sitting on it and wait. Okay, let's take a look over here. 1 in the afternoon, lunchtime's over. It's Tuesday, August 4th. And let's get an update on yesterday. I'm going to refresh this. If you remember yesterday, we put on the spreads. These are the combined P&Ls right here. Short Russell, long Nasdaq, long S&P 500, short the Dow, short the S&P 500, long the Nasdaq. That was the horse. So we already took this money off the table in real accounts. So we're pretty much done with spreads for now until we see something. I'm actually surprised that the probability of a mean reversion here hasn't hit over 90% yet, but once it does, we're going to build a position there. Remember, to find that out, you go over here. Probability of a mean reversion on the spread. If you're trading stocks, you're going to see your stocks over here. You can initiate them 23.5, right? Because futures markets trade almost round the clock during the trading week. Stocks, options. I mean, you can make money intraday, and if you can do it in a hedged position, you can see what kind of opportunity is there. So somebody could argue, yeah, but I could have made 12,300 if I had traded the Nasdaq. Okay, fair enough. What was the risk? If you can make more consistent money with a hedged position, and like I mentioned yesterday, keep your blood pressure lower, why not look at it? Why not consider it? So anyway, hope you're making money. That's a quick update.